Nangalomzuzu, welcome to Duyeza Brothers, another episode of Laugh Back mntanami sibuseni uthando bafethu. Bathi amanzi la kamakhona kenza kaphindame futhi. Kanti ke usayishayila akayosi, usayosila akayidlo, usayidlile. Udla icala mntanami. Bafo.
Santumela. Sinibingelele siphinde sinamukele bafethu ku Duyeza Brothers. Sesibuyile singodokotela bothando. Bafethu ningakhohlwa ukusubscribe kuyo ile channel lena nizigama comment feedback ibalekile kakhulu and also ngakhohlwa ku Facebook sikhona as well nina khona nosfollower nisigayile zata kuthiwa uyathola yabo lezata lezana kuthiwa uyathola ku Facebook cela nisifakele nazo bafethu niyasazi ukuthi uhlangothi into esingayithanda
hayi lutho
uma nje
lapho uhlangothi asolithathe esihamba naye manje usiyabheda somthe cha mfethu wabheda nje futhi ku wrong ukuthi wena ubuyelana lo muntu lo so nje miyeke
once
miyeke nje uyabheda wabheda futhi siyabonisa ngathi awakeze ukushintsha
ngeke isebenze lento
eyeke nje lento le yezo azulithatha uhlangothi kodwa akunankinga sizwe isitori sika my sister my sister lana sihamba naye uzofuna usizo ngomuntu wakhe ongathi singathi mi ex
yes
abasebenza isikhathi bahlukana uzochaza ichazela ababukeli sebenza isikhathi bahlukana sho sekuyi ex kahle so ufuna ex yakho my sister ukuthi bebuyelane bethandane i-laugh back bebe right yabo uthi kwenzakalani ke asazi uzosixoxela yini yini yabahlukanisa nokuthi bathandana for how long yini ayethanda ngayo umjida le njengamanje ayibonise khona futhi yes kwabanye abafana akayiboni ayikho ikulomfana kuphela le donde
sukuzo sihlangabezana nempito badala hayi cha hayi siyakubona
kuningi no asimbizi my sister ayizosula ukuthi ubani yena yeah kwenzakalani woza sisifami
kuyizakala
khamba kanjani right ngoyaphila yena le manela fana la
yebo
uhamba kanjani ushap
angishapho na
siyabonga no my sister owokuqala nje singacela ukusho ukubonga ukuthi usithembe ukuthi singakusiza ngale ndaba le ka ex wakho ukuthi abuyelane nawe yini engicela nje ukwazi ukuthi igama ubani
igama lami uAmanda
yebo buya pha Amanda
ihlala la neGoli
okay
yebo
no akunankinga ke Amanda mina nguvusi lona umusa singaba amanqede and then the cameraman lo njengoba usazi ukuthi iDuyeza Brothers njengoba ubhalile vele ubhalile iDuyeza Brothers
yebo
yes my sister baningi bayakhala abanye sesibasizile abanye basizakala abanye abasizakala
but ngithemba ukuthi maybe lami lingangisiza cause kudala ngifollower and like your videos bantu bathola usizo
ngala nje ukuthi osho lokho osingaka ufike nje confess ukuthi hayi ngidala ufollower wenza inhili but then uyazi okay kulungile ngiyazi ukuthi udala ufollow showcase uyayazi iDuyeza TV ne
yes
yini ma surprise guys
yebo
surprise and then iDuyeza Brothers yiyo le usubscribe ile kuyo
ka subscribe
wa subscribe ngicela ukuthi usubscribe my sister because manje sizokusiza lana wena usubscribe
so subscribe
kodwa sizokusiza ngoba wasubscribe kwenye kodwa nakule siyacela usubscribe
okay
yes lalela ke my sister afuthi ayithi lalela akulalele thina kwenzakalani
okay ngoba ngishilo ukuthi ngilibona lisiza abantu kuma relationship abo so lami kulomuntu wa my ex bengicela ngabe engabuya back kimi kade sijola for 3 years so sihlukane sine 6 months manje sihlukene
ne 6 months ni separated
yes
so yini inkinga ban okay strata
ya ubeka ngikhuze
njidi wabi strata too much oh yeah
yes
uyija strata
umkhubuso ekhaya
ayimi shemade ubunandi
okay no into engizanda yazini ne ukuthi uyavuma ukuthi uwe
hayi mina shemu engikhuze ngabe yahlala phansi still have life nasakuthanda can focus on us because I see future in you ngithi okay angisayenzi lento le yeah angisakwenzi uzobona ma stories ama status bangani bamba
post sama hide ngani ke
ngimhidile mina ubona kuma friends ami name
ifusi awusitshela nje story nje off ramp ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngibamba mina nami lo ngilokhunjana naye so ngesikhathi sethekwini uyabo sesihlala evini ngamhayida
Oh madoda.
yabo bengimhide kwayiwa kuwe yabo wayocheka lapha kuwe uMastori kwathi ngiyambona neheavy fan lapho anisabuyi yabo so ngiya understand ukuthi kuma siyenze
asayitshela uvusa ukuthi hide lami into angitshela ngithi hide.
Okay.
So that's what happened.
Oh yeah, okay.
Yes.
So igama likaBafubani
Uthabo. Yeah.
Okay. So nina 6 months ni separated not?
Yes. 6 months.
So kulo 6 months ni separated. Ngubhizi ngani ke wena?
Ngizitshela manje semfuna focus empilweni groove nyekile. Abangani nje laba abade
Kulo 6 months lo.
Yeah, kulo 6 months.
So singasho ukuthi lo 6 months wona ubuyilungisa.
Yeah, bengiziqoqela yena so if ngamthola nje back ebona ukuthi I've changed.
But ubumazisana ukuthi yazi njalo angisayenzi 1 2 3 nje it's been 4 months manje, it's been 3 months manje, it's been 5 months manje, it's been 6 ubumazisana.
Asayalahlela ama contacts.
What if you say move on?
Eish.
Ngoba phela njalo ukuthi lo 6 months you half a year uhleli yena.
Phela mina kulo hafe yengikhonile ukuthi ngihlale engekho.
Because wena ubulungisi yazi
Yena izobekutulwa.
phela mhlawumbe angithi mbuka yena mhlawumbe akazi ukuthi wena ubuyilungisa. So wayitshela ukuthi ayi mhlawumbe wena impilo wayithuza mhlawumbe nayo yabo yazini angidelisa inhliziyo ngibheke omunye mhlawumbe angisho ukuthi
Eish inkinga yasuke ibe lapho.
but sengimuzele kuthenini ke ngoba ngikhuluma le ndaba ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani la uzoba right ngalokho uma uhlaphe
Ish komele accept mase ka move on happy lapha khona.
so wena ukhathalela nje ukuthi be happy.
Yeah, cause the love he was giving me I don't wanna lie. The love so low la ngiyabe ngiyabajavulela konke ukuthi as long we happy then
Okay.
yeah.
No, ngiyakuzwa myself.
Cause I'm sure he deserved all the love and happiness the way he was treating me. I don't wanna lie. Yes.
So nje ngicela ngokubuza okunye njengoba nje usuzo ofuna ukuxolisa nani. Okay, yena sikhulumile naye ne?
Yeah.
Sikhulumile naye. Sayenze plan ukuthi sihlangane naye. So uzofika la.
Okay.
So wena bongasamthola indawo mfethu.
Bengasamthola.
Okay, ayisikutholeleke thina. Uzoza la. Then ke wena ozoyikhulumela ukuthi umwine back. Hayi ukuthi ithi so sinomsebenzi wethu ukuthi simenze aqhamuke.
tholele opportunity
Yebo uzokhulumela yokugcina uzame ukugadla kokugcina yabo mhlawumbe nathi sobe sesizake lapho mhlawumbe sithi
uyabetha then
edela kancane yabo njengamanje nje ngabuza nje ukuthi uphethe nje mhlawumbe yokuxolisa kuyi mhlawumbe khona into ofuna uyisapha igift nyana ufuna unika
ayikho igift yimi nje lamazwi ami
owe nje uzokhuluma kanjani
nje
sikala lapho kodwa ukusiza khona sikuphethe ngethini sikala lapho esinokusiza ngoba siyazi wena ukuthi nivele nizoxoxa umuntu akwenziwa kanjalo umuntu umphathe into yokukhohlisa uyambribe umuntu yabo but it don't count sho njalo
ngabe ukuthi ilona ompela ofunakala
iphepho boyithu echuza
hayi kube wena echuze
uzothatha yabona sithengena ku sweet babe so into ezokwenza my sister yabo ukuthi lo sweet lo ubhala kusini
like ngiyaxolisa like izenzo zami
so oyi1 labo sweet wena uzomnikeza oyi1 yithi somnikeza la wena while usemuntwini isalungisa speech into ozoyisho uma sumnika usweet into ezoyisho ukuthi sithandwa sami or ex yami ngicela ungixolele kanje nje asazi uzothini so thina sizomnika la oqala usweet because mayifika la thina sizomtshela ukuthi akazi ukuthi sihamba nawe sizomtshela thina ukuthi lo muntu osithumile uthe cela siqale sikunike lokho ukuthi ubuthambisa umoya wehlisa umoya inhliziyo ngoba nje ubhala ukuthi ini ubhala ukuthindo yami
be my baby
yes yena lo uzobe secabanga ukuthi ngaba ubani lo ungathi be my baby wena usufika ke nalo usuzomnika lo I'm sorry sazi ke mase kushaya ngayo
asozama ukuthi lokho
inkinga le
azazi phela bekushaya kodwa nje yeah into kanjalo my sister and then sikhuluma naye simtshela no kunomuntu osithumile kanje icela uqolo kanje and then befike siyambiza simvala amehlo bese uyayikhulumela my sister ukuthi ke uyazi lento ethi amanzi la amakhona aphindami
yeah wameleme futhi
okay
hayi all the best
okay sikusali clash hayi so vele kuba bonke abantu besilisa nje awusekho umunye umbonayo
nje nguyi
akuthinde lapho ngoyisho
Ngithaba.
uThabo
Angiboni nje
but then uThabo mothi ke akhapha kasakufuni uzomthola umuntu
kuyoba nzima. Because asomele ngiqale ngihile first before.
the healing process
Too much. Kunzima.
Thabo. Sure but hayi no bengifuna ukukutshela namfowethu ukuthi sengifikile ngala osendele khona location. Ngiyangizwa. Yeah ngithi sesifikile.
Oh, so me,
Yeah ungeza mfowethu.
sure.
Ora.
leza ekhaya leza uThabo uyeza umfoka Thibusi
Uthibo.
thanda yena ne
Ngiyamthanda Shemi.
mathi wakhetha phakathi kwaThabo nami ngakhetha ba
Umuntu wami.
ne
Wena kwayese.
manje nathi ningazani nje or mhlawumbe olokhu umbona
But then sengikhombe ukuthi okay sengimazi wena ngeke ngitshena kwanga.
uzongazi
Sambe phela mangathiwa nakho uthi Thabo cha yena hayi akafuni ukubuyelana naye. Ungamthatha.
Sensahile. Kwamele ngile before ngiqele.
Awu 6 months lo cha ithi uyayithanda ngempela le.
ngitshele phethe ukuthi yini le ewayuthanda ngayo uThabo
Thabo like mina nje
umuntu njani
into njani, he's so caring, loving. Yonke into nje sendodeni. Mbuso good morning, how was your day? Bekunjani emsebenzi?
6 months onke no good morning
Paragraph ayisekho. Ansayitholi paragraph.
kahle nje wena uyifake rehab ne uzama ukuyilungisa
Yes.
Oh, fish
6 months ne.
6 months.
Emningi u6 months.
Yeah.
mthebe nibangani
Igroove nabe ngithanda ubumnandi.
so ngicela ukubuza mhlawumbe enye into engasolisa umjito enza ukuthi engayithandi igroove mhlawumbe ngaba ukuthi wena mhlawumbe egroovini abafana kuyashedwana lapha egroovini abafana bafuna ukuwina abafuna ukuhamba nabantu endlini zabo
Yeah, into I'm showing yathi menze.
bingenzeke nguwe bekakade
Mina manje groove just having fun. Lezi ezinye no
Asamzoqasha kwema.
mfake emotweni Musa and then uThabo sikhulume naye
Ngako. Baluye ngala.
hayi bafethu nalazo udaba aseyishayila akayosi kanti soyosila akayidlo sayidlile udla icala mntanami bathi amanzi la kamakhona aphinda ame futhi izimo ayisafanike climate change langa liyashisa liguqubele isimo sokushintsha kwezulu kodwa ke siwaphethe amabhiginef for sure so gubhomsele uba full phethe ibhakede lamanzi so wenza ukuthi ahambe futhi bathi la kahamba khona aphinda ahambe
Yey.
nango
Yebo.
ibhubha nomkhulu
Hayi ngiyakutshela. Yazijole South Africa nje. Emhlabeni ngasasitshela. Ayijole yenye ishandisi.
no guys yakhala phezulu zikhala kwabadala kwabancane kwaba-rich kwabahluphekayo
Njolo yena umjolo ukuthi
zikhala kwabazamayo
yabona baba ikhala zikhala ngapha
abanye bekhetha ukufocus empilweni ake ngifocus empilweni yami
Awuthi vele ngifocus life.
ake ngikhanda imali mhlawumbe bazongilandela emuva
Awu vele benza njalo.
bekulandele
Oh yeah no.
uyiba for woza
Oza kabe yami. Ngasamnxese mfethu.
mina ngiyaxaka ukuthi ubani lo melana lokho
Very nice.
ngabe hamba kanjani hamba kahle
Yeah.
yawe sayikhumbula lo phahla sayikhumbule
Na semnanti lo plus.
Awuseke phela. No ngiyabona lokho mina anginakeli ukuthi wena. Cha yithi wena ukhuluma nathi efonini nangu umuntu ukhuluma naye efonini face.
Yeah.
Ditha.
Yeah, dins.
Nguye umusa ke lona nangofuthi.
Oh.
Yeah, ucameraman lo shothayo face.
So I get tired.
Yeah. Showcase nje awuyibuzeni ukuthi lo muntu angibiza ase angishutha manje.
Yeah, lena ngiyibuza uzigiza kakhulu ngina angishuta.
Cameraman.
Ithali.
And fe umena phali so red.
Hayi sivlog impilo yethu. Sivlog life yethu.
Yeah, but besifuna ukuzokubona. Sizo nje ukuthi sizokubona.
Oh ne vukile vela ngoncheka phela.
Socela ihike.
Man. Ala ngizizibeli. Phela ke
Ngiyadala.
zibras.
Ngiyadala. Lalela phela ne kunomuntu osithumile bese. Ngoba sila. Kunomuntu osithume kuwena. Lo muntu uthi the reason asithumile ngoba akasakhona ukuthola wena efonini akakhona ukuthola akasakhona ukuxhumana nawe. It's been 6 months boba 8 months akazi kodwa nje akasakhona ukuxhumana nawe. Sekuyisikhathi eside. so no ungawazi uzomazi ukuthi ubani so
no stress
washo kathi khona ipicture ya ekhanda ngathi khona
doesn't make sense kunawo
bangaka abantu wena osuka wangazwana nabo ozwana nabo mhlawumbe ngaba umngani wakho ngaba ukhazini ngabe umakhelwane ngaba uex ngaba ubani bakhona yini abantu oseke ocabanga ukuthi uke wazwana nabo ngabuye uzofuna uxolo bakhona nobalindele ukuthi awusibani bangiyazi uyobuya ke
xolo I don't want ana sharp amari mnati kunale ngwanye nomongi umtileka ka dibethansa lena but I don't think already she's out of the picture.
Yeah, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'm not stressed bethu wena into azinkinga zakho ukuthi zimi kanjani. But then thina ke lo muntu esihamba naye sizocela ukuthi umuphi ithuba yabo. Akhuluma whatever afuna ukuyikhuluma because thina the reason sila sikubizile ingoba yena usicelile ukuthi simhlanganise nawe. So ingakho sicela ukuthi sihlangane nawe. Siyazi ukuthi asikutshela ukuthi kulo muntu esihamba naye uzofuna uqodo. Kodwa ke ukhona uzombona and makuhlaphe singimoshela isikhathi sizoxolisa ngalokho
Mr. Yeah, kimona gore dibuya ka manje.
Ngiyathemba ubuke kuyindoda eqolayo ko.
Yeah, I forgive and forget. Forgive and forget. Yeah, nah. Okay, so I know the things I do, man.
No, anginankinga mfethu. Bafo kune something ke abas esiphethe la ukuthiwe siqale sikunika yona.
Sithulele.
So simletha. Siqale sikunikele lento le just ukuthi wehlisa umoya wakho namaphaphu.
I'm calm. Kisaphi?
Asazi phela uyazi ethu ngakho ethe yaqala say no, it's not just the PS.
Yeah.
But in a message.
Be my babe. Be my babe. Wow. That's nice. Cause surprising way. Massive. Massive. Yeah. Without wasting time,
What lambol?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. Or be more here, cause I'm ready to forgive woman. Hey, guys, if you know bisexual, mo to him or her. We fuka ema tote. Bonale magita ba ilo re ntse ba mpaise tsa tlala.
Sure.
O motshola na. Pele party be my pay. The thing is
Wena busele kunya.
my pay.
Just uvula lo ofuna ukuthi.
This is about girl, ne? This is about girl, but this is bonala magita. Not like we're touching. So God. No. So it's like. We're not judging.
But ngicela ukuthi ungathi nje uthola ukuthi njengoba uzahambe umlando emotweni kuze umjidi uzothini.
Akona magita ka ntomela date.
Wasingathi mhlawumbe yisaba ukutshela so naze naxabana mhlawumbe mhlawumbe
Bona if kimujita let me go to my place and do whatever in the kids because I
know uzobona
can call it or yeah.
Okay, muso ngizocela ukuthi umlande ne.
Okay, ngicela sim local.
Ngizocela ukuthi ke bafu before ifike la. Ngoba manje musa umgaxa la umuntu. Indlela endoda ngimfishane mfethu. Manje ngithi manje uzothatha umjida bese wena uyahamba
Phambili.
la
Philisi umjida.
Bakhuleka wena ungabali.
Yeah.
Nakho. Ngathi labo popayi laba abamafudu laba bashaya inkemba. Ubongathula. Khona ufana uMbappe lo.
Idla yena.
Ayadala khona mkambyanga yena. Hey madoda. Hey ziyabuya emhlabeni.
Inhleke shop ke mang.
Hayi usakadingi ungawari. Usakadingi uzokhuluma yena asho ukuthi why elana wayefuna ukubona. Ngicela umtshela ukuthi why ulana wayefuna ukumbona.
Hey Tabo. All right.
Sure one.
All right.
Yeah, I can not
Ngibhalele lana uthi ngithole ilove back kuwe because I really miss you. 3 years zonke taught me how to love. Everything about love ngifundisile. Then 6 months lazy. Love is nothing without you.
Yeah, recognize ukuthi ungaba ubani.
Yeah.
Uyafuna ukumbona.
Go bona again.
Ezipho zami.
First, yeah. Inside.
Yeah, it.
All right. Okay. Yeah, Mere.
Hawu manje.
Mere. Okay, I tell you shit kancane ngabuye ngale. Yeah. Yeah, dintsha umpile tsa di camera. Dintsha ngsto sa shop shop.
Tabo answer vutholi, phone call, WhatsApp,
Yeah, you know,
book, like.
I was 6 months in fit. O botla go bua jotse now. O sira se tlemo.
But I tried.
Okay. My brother ngicela nje ukubuza la kwena uma sister la usibhalelile wathi ucela simsize ukuthi simhlanganise nawe because uyasho ukuthi benithandana for like 3 years and then wena kunezinto obungayithandi and we mentioned la washo ukuthi i-groove para strata in uyavuma lokho yikho is wa mention ukuthi into kanjalo so njengamanje uthi ubehleli for 6 months ngoba bengathandana for 6 months uthi ubengasakwenze konke lokho ufanele ukuthi ube kwi rehab nje kahle kahle ubezama ukuyilungisa for wena ukuthi ebuye
wena rehab for ye meremo akompelele one thing okwala batho for what the love back for now mama is that you move on 6 months is enough for me to move on.
I tried to move phone yakho like.
Okay, so but like,
Facebook. I want you back.
you want me back?
futhi useshintile
I changed and science lento lezeko. I know wangenza ngitrue then choose
So wena
proof over you. Now I know ukuthi lahlekelwe yini off umcross.
you want me back?
So now my brother ngicela ukubuza. So udampe or my sister because we are groove.
No, and other things.
Okay.
Yeah.
other things asizwa ngayichaza my sister other things yini other things lo khona sizo understand
Eish.
ukuze mhlawumbe sithi siyamncengela my sister kanti yona aba for right ngalento iwathatha isibome is right
Nah, like batla go understand the part gore umpileditse fa for the love back why?
Cause of right.
I love you and life without you I don't live.
Hi, my sister, how serious?
I am.
Pela no ki in love with someone else and
Kanjani?
na relationship aka no yana.
Kanjani?
Emomolo.
so wona lo na baba manje
Yeah, I do have.
in how long do you need down in room block
Skonele boka re na le 2 months.
2 months
Yeah.
But she loves you.
My sister, I've
So-
been waiting for this moment for a long time.
ukuthi
Gore you writing this whatever o batla go etsa for me to come back to you. Long time. But wena azanka e bona ntsa stupid.
Then why did you block me?
Go block you because I want nothing to do with you.
waiting for this
I've been waiting, my brother. For adding more effort. Adding more effort like this. 6 months.
you wanted to see more bofuna umuntu
Oh, no,
emnyango
is she really serious about? Because
I am serious. Tabo.
friends, Pujala, I mean, every weekend she's going out.
wena bonga group manihlangane kuphi kanjani manihlangane kuphi my sister maniqala nje ukushelana
Tlhakane go parking.
parking
Yeah.
nashelana
Yeah. I did first love her when I see her. Yeah.
so sometimes nginokuzwa abantu mabesanda kuthandana bayabuzana ukuthi okay wena uthandane ke yini oyenzayo yini ongayenzi azange mhlawumbe nifike lo nkulumo leyo mhlawumbe my sister bezothi yena uyaphuza uthanda ukuphuza mhlawumbe wena hayi wena uyasonda
Oh, so umpiditse fa azango ababolela hore I did accuse you hore my sister I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. Please stop because I'm serious about us.
I told him.
Yeah, you told her.
Yeah.
no shit but mina sambuza ukuthi nina maniqala ukuthandana nikazi niyikhulume leyo ukuthi okay
Sikhulumile.
I don't like umuntu ophuzayo wesifazane I don't like umuntu obhemayo I don't like umuntu onjena onjena
I'm sure you didn't know what maybe my thing is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You can like holidays, wada.
One thing, I don't have a problem. I don't have a problem go ene anwe. Kwansela I go groove but not every week. I did ask her, hore, is it me? Are you choosing me or your friend?
okay
Then she choosing which is the madam.
ngisakhulume friends shona kuzwakala
So now my king, that's the only thing enza ukuthi umshiye lokuthi uthanda utshwala mhlawumbe nabangani bakhe. Yeah, that's the only another thing. Sithenka sikenka khona ukuthi bolela in front of the camera. Okay. Oh. So sister, I did forgive you. Ne? Even now I did forgive you and I'm glad go phone or ba phone or khona kopana and fix this matter. But I'm sorry I can't come back to you because hona le motho ke bonana le until
we believe le
kanjani awusho phela umuntu bekakhona ujola nami
but
vele ngithatha ngakho
2 months
ubekakhona kuleyo 2 months bebe angazi ukuthotha umngani wakhe
ngani
uthi mhlawumbe bekhona.
yeah but yeah I understand.
okay mhlawumbe yini engakwenza ukuthi uneliseke ugcwaliseke ukuthi okay
Hey uphi lo girl
uzomenza
Recently.
shaya
Okay, the question is why are you concerned? Because nalo
Kabo, I'm sorry.
yes, I'm so yes, I saw it also, and I do forgive you. Ontalan, I do forgive you. I do forgive you. But please, kopo understand the kinale moto then nale motaka ata.
so lo sweet lona
So kulo 2 months when you short here you see you future wife whatsoever. Kulo 2 months osunai.
Yeah, mhlambe because
In 2 months
lo muntu onayo wena bafu
uyamthemba.
yeah,
wakho stress
I cannot
kuyilento oyifunayo
I cannot love someone ukisa mthipi. I do trust this.
singamfonela mhlawumbe ukuconfirm nje ukuthi ungazi utshela ukuthi uso move on kwenye indawo kanti
Yeah.
ushiya umuntu mhlawumbe oseyilungisele for
Vakero wena Thomas, it's fine. It's fine.
no not ukuthi uThomas nabo mina into bona bafu into engifuna ukuthi sifonelele ulo
Yeah.
just ukusiza naye ubafu na ngiyazi lapho sibizile
Yes.
mhlawumbe ngayitshela ubafu ukuthi yena usemove on in
Yeah.
kanti lo muntu anaye ubusy in kanti lana lo useyilungisile and usiyamazi ukuthi ugula ngani umuntu wakho nani so okay it's fine ngicela ukuthi simhlaphe mokho so mind simfonele umuntu wakho just nje ukubonisa usisi la kusona yo move down you have someone okuthandayo nani into ke siza ukuthi lothi ukhona naye ngamalapha yena akasekho faka ke bafo number kaMamasa awuzweke
Housing song Nazen. Good night, guys.
hayi sawubona njani ngiyaphila ukhuluma noVusi from Duyaza Brothers. Yes ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ngikhuluma nobani igama
Hayibo, ungangifonela ubuza igama lami.
okay ngiyaxolisa ngalokho so into eyenzakalayo la nginomuntu wakho and sine prize esifuna ukumnika yona if kodwa lokho esizokubuza kuyahambiselana so ngizocela ukuthi if uyamchaza umuntu wakho ukuthi unjani so manje sinomuntu wakho isho ngine out yakhe indoda yakho if uyamchaza ukuthi unjani mhlawumbe ngokwekhala nokuthi umzimba in negama lakhe and then kune prize esizomnika yona lapha so ku depende kuwena konke
Okay, can ngimbuza bhuti?
ngicela ubuza ukuthi igama lendoda yakho bani igama lakhe
Uthabo.
bani
Uthabo.
uThabo
Yebo.
okay ngokwe skin color
Dark.
udark
Yes.
okay uyislender uyisidudla ufit unjani
Thin and tall.
thin and tall
Yes.
oh okay no akunankinga nangu uThabo la ngakhuluma mfethu ubingelele nje bamazi
Hey, baby.
Can you make king tutorial tamara?
Minna.
no
Tataribu akutunzo. Tataribu akutunzo.
uzofika nama results endlini kune something esomnikana la usewinile uThabo
Minna. Love you.
Okay, king.
okay sharp siyabonga
why mate mothi I love you athi ayikho inkinga is a matter of
It's a better one. Okay. All right. Let me. Inkinga.
kulungile phela.
But then, my sister, ngicabanga ukuthi uyizwile
Believe it.
I don't want to o batla go bona ke mo donsa go bona
Azange ngisho kanjalo dra.
so ufila kanjani ngalokho you gonna give Mjida ukuthi isikhathi sakho sakuqhubeke nempilo yakhe noma usazofuna futhi lokhu umhobo while usozwile ukuthi this
Like, as long happy into ngishilo ukuthi as long happy kulapha khona. I guess it deserve be happy is.
okay manje lo sweet wethu lona uzowenza njani bese ngile wona
Ngiyabona usiyalina.
dale
no thanks ne so I'm forgive you ke forgive you the sharp
No, like I'm not angry.
let nagi angry when I'm smiling I'm smiling ngabona so I'm not
But
angry
it's hard
today
for me to accept. I'm not angry at this.
but please go move on let nagi
I'll
move on
try. I will try.
so I think this belongs to you ne I'm sorry ne
you can't see
is
be again
bafethu yabonga cool okabo and my sister I'm sorry
no wes siyabona bakhona ukukhuluma
No, Umjida usebenze clear nekholi my sister yapprove ukuthi my brother senomunye umuntu elifini bafo sifisela inhlanhla ku relationship yakho niphathane kahle and I hope azenzakali lezi zinto lezi owayibalekela ngapha yangibaba ayikho ukuthini esingakusho mina from my side kodwa lesingafisela inhlanhla ku relationship and siyabonga ukuthi ufike uzosicacisela ukuthi kwenzakalani sha
and enye into nami engasanda ukuyisho phethu sipolisa and sipolisele nakumama mawenza kayibona le episode ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingabe ngasikubizele i-ex uzoshasa ne-ex we were not knowing ukuthi wena usunomuntu naye bengazi ukuthi usenomuntu so that's why sifunele ukuthi sifone just for ukuthi umama naye abone ukuthi cha wena kahle usumove on usunomuntu nanokumoshela isikhathi ukuthi Facebook afina simoshela isikhathi sekuhlanganisa ne-ex yakho cha siyaxolisa uma mhlawumbe lokho kukuphathe kabi kodwa bekuzama ukuhlanganisa ukwenza ubuntu nokuzwana nokuqeda inzondo ukuthi ningabe senibhekana ngehlelibi manihlangana emgwaqweni
yeah no problem because una let la detail ona basa ke so mare no I to I'm moving on no my sister nice journey safe journey ontalana good luck ne emergency ya dialeboha
no nankinga feso sabonga nazo sisi
Last nation assist.
kayishi mama
yo tena more my sister siyabonga cha wena
siyabonga feso my sister engingakusho mina njengamanje lokho bese sikuzama ngakho ngizocela ukuthi usibuyisele khona hayi kabi indlela zakhe ezibhedayo ewayithatha kuqala kodwa usoshintshile akunankinga usoshintshile siyathemba ukuthi moving forward uzomthola Umjida ozokwazi ukuthi ubambisane naye and umhloniphe wenze whatever ayifunayo not ukuthi whatever but kodwa mayithi groove akayithandi yabo nibonisane nje nibe great because kuba kanjalo because you can't date someone owenza omunye wenza okunye yabo apheli vele kamnandi egcineni kuba kanje uthi wena ushintsha yena kade ashintsha
so nganokuthi wena Vusi nawe na my sister vele ku relationship it's a two-way street yangibamba you compromise ezinye izinto for umuntu omthandayo ngoba phela mina nisuke enhlangana nisuke nabantu abawu2 abahlukile but into esenihlanganisile uthando right mhlawumbe umuntu usuke ephila impilo yakhe nawe uphila impilo yakho uyangibamba and then mase nifika makukhona izinto ongayithandi ngomuntu wakho kuzomela umtshele naye akwazi ukucompromise nimithane kuphi nimithane halfway ngobani niyathandana futhi kumele nenze nibambisane so next time going forward kumuntu ozomthola because I believe ukuthi usangamthola umuntu right and for effect ukuthi ushintshile for ukuthi I relationship yakho naye isebenze which shows ukuthi even though kuthatha isikhathi but it shows ukuthi you were willing to change at the end of the day so in your next relationship when someone says hey we mama mina angikuthanda angikuthanda u1 no2 no3 no4 and especially siyamthanda lo muntu loyo. So next time uzama ukuhlala phansi nawe uyicabange uyibuke ke nawe ukuthi leyo nto leyo yenzayo I right noma I wrong because vele into kanjalo izoba wrong relationship because mawuphuma out especially le yenzakala mawuphuma out umjito uyazi mawuphuma out kwenzakalani emaclubini kwenzakalani kuma event uyangibamba so ukuze relationship yakho next time ihambe kahle umlalele umuntu wakho nizama ukuthola I-common ground ukuthi nizokwazi ukuthi ni-understandane uthando lwenu luqhubeke luye phambili injalo nje.
Nanke my sister uzothola usilindelane sizokwazi ukusikufaka emontweni nespeed amanzi awamanga ne
I'm fully okay.
kodwa sugubhile hayi sesiyawafaka vela aminqo yakho phakathi
Kulungile la. Ungase ushumba kithi. Oh, shame seba so
mari wathi sifunda ngamaphutha ethu
njalo.
yeah
Njalo.
hayi seyishala kayo soyisila kayilo soyidlila udla icala Nkosi yami sugubhile umgodi sawathela amanzi awagelezana
Akuyabhetha.
avela ashona phansi acwila ashona phansi
Yeah, avela shona phansi.
kwabadwaye ngathi asiwathelanga at the same time ayikho nje singayenza
Athi mfethu umjita masikhuluma iqiniso umjita uyambona uzamile.
yeah
Uzamile my sister shuthi ureact late. Yeah ureact late and u6 months isikhathi eside kakhulu uyabo but ke nayo my sister vele ngoba sokukanje hayi yamphoqa ukuthi forward we move.
lapha ekhaya makuthi mhlawumbe nawe unenkinga ekanje and umuntu wakho usanda kuxabana naye or something sanda ngingaboni ngaso lenye lungisa indlela zakho kuse early azi ukuthi uyabuya say move on
Exactly.
bese ufuna thina sizokusiza nathi ngeke senze lutho mase move on ngeke simkhiphe kwenye indawo simfake kwenye indawo ngoba aphuma ngasho ukuthi waphuma ngoba konke emqakayo
Yebo.
so yeah
Ngoba nengculaza mase uyitholile
ayiphumi ngenile
phakathi inside.
hayi no kulungile
Cameraman.
cameraman take us home